Hi, this is a new initiative from biotechnology side to all the people, common people, to know more about the corona research. It's always a sort of people thinking that what is being very curious about when the corona comes, what is the research. So I, along with Dr. Ashwini, taken a lead in make this information much more reachable to the public by putting that into this type of a new video. Now this is a protein structure. You all know that coronavirus is very important now in this pandemic to have a research about it. Now we are going to explain how this is helping you to understand, and if there is some ideas you can always interpret in this particular research. So this coronavirus has got a spike protein which will come and attack ACE2 receptor. This ACE2 receptor from the human body is very important either to accept the coronavirus or to reject it. So here is a research of this. So this yellow color protein is nothing but the ACE2 receptor of the human, which is trying to take the protein from the virus and digest inside the human host and make it more reproducible, and you infect with the coronavirus. Now let me tell that this yellow color is a spike protein, and here if you see that the black ligand, the black ligand where you have is the point site where the corona protein, glycoprotein, come and attack this ACE2 receptor. So now we are attempting that a competitive binding method where we found out the position in this ACE2 receptor where there is a point of interaction between the coronavirus ligand, that is the spike protein, into this receptor, that is ACE2 receptor. So now we are trying to find out the point of interaction between this ACE2 receptor to have a competitive binding. That means this black color ligand where it is sitting, it is nothing but the remestemcel molecule which is trying to protect those positions where the coronavirus glycoprotein is supposed to come and attach this ACE2 receptor. This yellow color is an ACE2 receptor. So here is a point of contact, and this is what we refer as a competitive binding. So here this particular drug helps a competitiveness so that the coronavirus do not come and attach, and the people are saved from the attack of coronavirus. Here are the view of this ACE2 receptor or human. The yellow is nothing but the human receptor, and the black is something which is a small molecule or the drug which is having an impact on the coronavirus, not to attack the human host. The glycoproteins of the corona will not come and bind to this particular point of contact in the protein. If you can see, those point of contact will be avoided, and it will help us not the attack against the coronavirus. So this is what we have attempted to make it clear for the public how this drug molecule, how it goes and binds to the protein to prevent these type of attack from the virus.